This video is about how to use basic trigonomic functions on a right triangle. A right triangle being a triangle that has a 90-degree angle. That's a requirement for using trigonometry, at least for this section. These are what you will be using to come up with your answers. You'll want to come up with the sine of A, the cosine of A, and the tangent of A. So here's our angle A right here, and let's just go through what this means. Length of the side, and I'm looking at this right here, for the sine of A, length of the side opposite of angle A, and that would be opposite of angle A is this thing, divided by the length of the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, which is C. There's our hypotenuse. See, there's the word. So, for this problem right here, let's get the sine of A. And notice over here, they've got the sine of A is over in this corner. And over here, it's in this corner. So we're going to be looking at this kind of like it's flipped a little bit, but that should not be a big deal. Okay, here we go. So we're going to need this right here, and we're just going to be substituting numbers in. Length of the side of angle A, opposite of angle A, is going to be 55. So we have the number 55, and that's a 5, poorly written, divided by length of the hypotenuse. Here's our hypotenuse, which is 73. And then usually you're asked to turn this into a decimal. So to turn this into a decimal, it's time to pull the calculator out. And remember, we have 55 over 73 here. So let's go over to here, and I will put in 55. It just turned off. 55 divided by 73, enter, and that would be our answer. Okay, that wasn't too bad. 55 over 73, and that was sine of A, length of opposite, over the hypotenuse. Okay, let's go over now and get the cosine. Okay, let's substitute things in. And I don't know why this thing is here. Let's clear it out. Let me come back to where I was. And get this back up here. And let's try this again. We're going for the cosine of A. And length of angle adjacent to angle A. Here's the side adjacent to angle A. The hypotenuse is going to be in the denominator. So once again, we come up with just substituting 48 over 73. And that's going to give us, once I put it into the calculator, 48 over 73. 8 divided by 73, enter. And that gives us the cosine of angle A. Last thing we have to do is the tangent, which is not going to be too much different than what we've been doing here. And what's with the blue stuff? Who knows what this blue stuff is? Oh. So here we're going to use the definition, and this is the opposite of angle A, and this is the side opposite. And we don't use the hypotenuse on this one at all. We use the side right next to angle A. So in this case, we have 55 divided by 48. And remember, 55 divided by 48, and this is for the tangent of angle A. Go to my calculator. .55 divided by 48, enter. And those are our three answers. That's how you come up with the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of angle A. Sometimes, and you need to just be careful of this, are they asking you for angle A, or are they asking you for angle B? You do the problem the same way. You just have to be careful of, because this, for angle A, this is the opposite side. If they're asking you for angle B, this is the adjacent side. Just be careful which ones you're substituting in when you're trying to substitute into these three equations. So that gets this video done.